Welcome to 4DX Design, your ultimate source for all things home design, architecture, and interior inspiration.
Photorealistic garden patio, wooden pergola with climbing flowers, terracotta and blush-colored flowers, stone and gravel paths, light beige and gray outdoor furniture with cushions, small fire pit in the center, lush green foliage, soft sunlight, warm colors, detailed textures, modern rustic aesthetic, trees and houses in the background, view of a backyard, carefully placed colorful plants, detailed wood grain on the pergola, midday lighting, depth of field, carefully arranged. Landscaping, realistic lighting and shadows, cozy outdoor space, small outdoor lounge areas. Photorealistic, modern penthouse rooftop terrace, lush tropical plants, city skyline view, warm beige and brown tones, wooden decking, comfortable light beige and cream-colored sectional sofas, low wooden coffee tables, outdoor dining area, glass sliding doors, palm trees, stone water feature, soft sunlight, high-rise buildings, urban landscape, minimalist design, sleek modern architecture, perspective view, detailed textures, 3D render, interior and exterior design, clear sky, cityscape in the background, daylight, peaceful, natural elements, balcony, cozy, contemporary style, realistic lighting, open space, tropical vibe, high quality. Photorealistic, urban rooftop terrace, modern concrete architecture, wooden ceiling beams, gray cushions and seating, light beige/gray rug, koi pond with fish, lush greenery and plants, city skyline view in the background, natural light, low-angle shot, daylight, warm, calm ambience, perspective, focus on the koi pond, high contrast, detailed concrete and plants, aesthetics of contemporary design, minimalist. Wide shot, detailed textures, impressionistic soft focus on cushions. 3D rendering, no shadows. Lush garden surrounding a contemporary stone home, sunlit patio area with beige lounge chairs and mustard yellow cushions, vibrant orange marigold flowers, lavender, and other colorful flowering plants, stone pathway, small fountain, wooden pergola or deck elements, light brown wooden beams, sky with puffy white clouds, warm sunlight casting soft shadows, detailed stonework on the house, well manicured and diverse plantings. Outdoor living space, peaceful and serene atmosphere. Exterior view, high quality, detailed, 3D render, realistic lighting, architectural render, composition, perspective, garden design, home exterior, beautiful garden, impressionistic soft focus. Modern minimalist tropical house backyard, hyper-realistic, lush green foliage, dark gray stone walkway with light orange/yellow accent stones, large rocks and mulch, dark gray/black modern house with large glass sliding doors, interior of house visible, warm neutral toned interior, tan/cream, lots of plants, accent chairs/relaxation area, deep rich greens, dark emerald green, various leaf textures, smooth stone pathways, tropical impression, rainforest feel, geometrically designed. Garden, natural light filtering through the plants, high detail, 3D render, no harsh shadows, calm atmosphere, focus on smooth transitions between indoor and outdoor spaces. A modern, minimalist outdoor patio area, impressionistic style, terracotta and brown tones, a large covered patio area with a low, flat roof extending from a contemporary building, dark wood panels on exterior walls, plants and foliage in various shades of green, orange and brown, a wood-burning fireplace visible toward the back of the patio, comfortable seating arrangements, including sofas and armchairs. In neutral tones, outdoor coffee table, a sectioned-off kitchen area, sleek design. Elements, natural light filtering through the trees, warm lighting illuminating the patio, dark brown stone or brick patio flooring. Photorealistic, Mediterranean seaside veranda, light beige and cream-colored sofas and armchairs, pale blue throw pillows and cushions, large hydrangea bouquets in muted blue and purple, wooden pergola with light beige/cream-colored wooden beams, translucent white lace-like drapes cascading over the pergola, view of a tranquil azure ocean, small sailboat visible on the horizon, rustic wooden coffee table with seashells, stone/whitewashed stucco wall, natural light, soft. Warm color palette, impressionistic style focus on tranquility and the surrounding beauty, detailed textures of fabric and wood, meticulously arranged outdoor living space. Modern, minimalist outdoor patio, concrete and wood deck with exposed beams, metal pergola with woven beige shade, warm lighting illuminating furniture, beige and brown outdoor furniture including sofa, armchairs, coffee table, fire pit with flames, lush greenery and trees in background, contemporary concrete home with large glass doors, hyper-realistic, impressionistic, detailed, natural light, soft shadows. Golden hour, calm atmosphere, high quality, 8K, architecture, design, wood. Grain, neutral color palette, beige, brown, gray, dark gray metal accents, outdoor living, landscape design, photorealistic, professional lighting. Urban rooftop garden, concrete, dark gray, textured walls, warm orange-yellow lighting highlighting plants, lush green plants and greenery, garden with various sized planters and natural stones, modern furniture with earthy tones, brown leather armchair, wooden table, sliding glass doors, overlooking city view, water feature, artificial turf, overhanging concrete roof, detailed textures, impressionistic lighting, vertical green walls, footsteps of a modern, spacious rooftop apartment. Evening, rainy, moody atmosphere. Lush garden courtyard, modern architecture, brick and wood facade, flowing water feature, gravel pathways, various plants and flowers, terraced seating area, brown wooden decking, dark gray/charcoal colored rocks and stones, green foliage, yellow flowers, subtle light reflecting on water, impressionistic soft lighting, natural lighting, open air setting, peaceful ambience, detailed textures, high definition, intricate design, depth of field, architectural detail, modern. Minimalist garden design, urban oasis. Rooftop garden pergola, moody overcast day, urban cityscape in background, wooden pergola structure with climbing plants, orange, red, green leaves, large seating area with dark grayish-blue sectional sofas, rust/orange accent pillows, fire pit in center of gravel patio, various colorful flowers, orange, yellow, purple, blue, lush greenery, planters, gray stone/gravel patio, wooden planks, modern design, detailed view of the urban cityscape, soft lighting, slightly cool temperature. Slightly rainy, architectural details of urban buildings visible. Urban cityscape view, lush green vertical garden, terracotta pots, wooden decking, gray lounge cushions, potted plants, organic shapes, warm sunlight, natural light streaming in, mix of green, orange, and muted brown colors, modern apartment architecture, elevated view, trees and foliage in the background, detailed textures, cozy and relaxing atmosphere, realistic plants, soft lighting, shallow depth of field, detailed shadows, minimalist design, calm and serene mood.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel.